So I got both the bearings out. I'm gonna clean them out. Put some gasoline in them. Clean this out in gasoline. Kind of first take it out a little bit, you know. And then put in gasoline. It should clean it out really nice. Everything looks pretty good. So just basically just cleaning. Put everything in gasoline. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back later with the part 2, putting it together and getting it to run. Have a good day, YouTube, and if you like this video, if it felt like you've learned something, you've been entertained, please subscribe and subscribe to me. I appreciate it. And all you people in Facebook and everything, have a very good day. And also want to give a shout out to Mark. I believe his name is Caravanza. He just recently had a baby boy, and I'd like to congratulate him on his a new kid, and him and his wife must be very, very proud. Anyway, good luck to you guys. This is Joe Vice from Small Engine Repairs, going out.